Good morning, students. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja online classes. Today I will teach you subject science topic acids and bases and salts. Introduction of acids and bases salts. So acids, bases, salts, indicators, neutralization and examples of daily life. First, we want to learn about acids, bases and salts. What are acids and bases? How do they play role in day to day life? So whenever something plays an important role in our life, then we want to learn more about them. So let's first see where do we find acids and bases. Now acids and bases, even though the name looks little common, maybe new to you at the level, but these are common solutions which exist everywhere. Lot of liquids that we use, that we encounter and day to day bases are either acidic or basic in nature. So basically they contains some acids or some base. Let us some of such things which we come across very frequently, but we never knew that contains acids and some base. One such thing as the lemon and citrus fruits. Lemon, orange, they all are called citrus fruits. Do you know why? Because they contain acids. They contain acids are called citrus fruits. Due to the presence of citric acid, they have given the name is citrus fruits. You think of something like vinegar. Do you think what exactly it is? A watery liquid. It is often a cooking purpose. It is a example of for preparing a Chinese dish. Vinegar is mostly commonly used. Vinegar, it contains acid, that is acidic acid. So this is also acidic in nature. You think the of soft drink, Pepsi, Fanta, Coca Cola, these are soft drinks also contain acids. They contain carbonic acid. They they also in acidic in nature. Think something like soda, baking soda, which is often for preparing things like whichever used for baking. For example, while baking cake, put into the flour baking soda. It is also used to prepare a lot of other things, not only baking soda. In fact, washing soda, which is used for washing clothes, they are not in acidic in nature. In a stay, they contain a base. They are in a basic in nature. Some medicine like stomach ache due to indigestion. Sometimes when we eat a lot of junk food, eat lot of oily and not so hygienic food outside, what happens? You sometimes get stomach problems, can digestion problems. Food does not take digested properly, and therefore we feel discomfort in our stomach. What do you do? Then you so remove of acidity. You say that I am feeling acidity inside my stomach. So how do you remove the acidity? With the help of antacid tablets. These antacid tablets, they are in antacid. That means they are not acid. What are they? They are in basic. They contain base in them. Again, it is not necessary that all object around us to be either acidic or basic. They can be Certain substances, for example, sugar, either acidic or basic, they are in a basically neutral. In fact, the other substances also salt like you take an example for water sometimes behave like a acid and sometimes behave like a base. Basically, they do not include water under the category of either acid or base. Even though the soaps which we use either for baking purposes, for washing clothes, or for cleaning utensils, all these soaps contains a base. They are also basic in nature. Soap bleaches they are in a basic in nature. All the things commonly used in our daily life they all contain neither acid or base. Lot of them contain neither of them. In fact, not only these items, lot of items which are edible, which we consume, so we also contain acids, some bases. For example, curd. So all of us consume curd, raw form or some other types of dishes. So curd also contain acid called lactic acid. We all eat spinach, also acidic in nature, and it contains oxalic acid. So many things they contain contains is acids and lot of things contain bases. So now we want to know what are acids and what are bases, and what are the characteristics of acids and bases. Let us see what are acids. The word of acid, the curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste is a sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The word of acid comes from Latin word acer, which means sour. The acids of these substances are natural acids. Types of acids is based on the strength. There are two types of acids based on the strength: strong acids and weak acids. So strong acids are usually in mineral acids or strong acids. It is highly corrosive. It is usually dangerous, cause burns on skin. Example: nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acids. So weak acids is usually in organic acids or in weak. It is generally edible. Example: citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, and ascorbic acids. Acids are present in some substances or citrus fruits. It is found in citric acid. Curd, it is from it is found in lactic acid. Spinach, palak, oxalic acid. Amla, citrus fruits, it is present in ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, tamarind, grapes, unripe mango, it is found in tartaric acid. Vinegar, it is found in acetic acid. Ant string, it is found in formic acid. Bases, it is in a bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between the fingers, it feels soapy. Generally, the substances like these, which are in a bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, known as a base. The nature of such substances are said to be basic. Example: baking soda, soaps, hand wash, detergents, cleaners, etc. Bases turns red litmus to blue. The bases present in some substances are baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, lime water, calcium hydroxide, window cleaner, ammonium hydroxide, soap, sodium hydroxide, or potassium hydroxide, milk of magnesia antacid, magnesium hydroxide. Indicators. There are two types of indicators. Natural and synthetic indicators. What are natural indicators? It is a special type of a substances are used to test whether the substances are acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators change in the color when we add it to a solution containing an acidic or basic substances. Example, litmus, turmeric, China rose petals, some of the naturally occurring indicators. Synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein indicators. Natural indicators are around us. Litmus is a natural dye. The most commonly used is naturally indicators. Natural indicators is a litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve purple color. It is distilled water. In distilled water, when added to an acidic solution, it turns the red, and when we add it to in a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips, the paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available red and blue litmus paper. Litmus solution. Litmus solution as more purple. It is colored in distilled water. Litmus paper, two types. One is red litmus paper. Other one is blue litmus paper. Neutral. The solution which do not change the color, either red or blue litmus, are known as a neutral solution. These substances are neither acidic nor basic. Example, distilled water, sugar solution, and common salt.